Welcome to the car. So, Penguin's driving along and he starts to have some car trouble. So he finds a mechanic and he pulls into the mechanic shop. And the mechanic says, "Sure, I'll look at it." The Penguin sees an ice cream store across the street, so he decides he's going to go to the ice cream store. Uh, Being a penguin, he gets an ice cream and he has fins, so it's really hard for him to eat the ice cream. It takes him about an hour. He walks back into the mechanic shop to see what's going on with his car. He asks the mechanic what's going on, and the mechanic looks at him and says, "Well, to me, it looks like you blew a seal." The penguin replies back to him, "Ha, no, that's just ice cream." Thank you. Like and subscribe.